I was struggling about through which aspect of an analyze data and how to create and find problems just through looking data. The question 5 in problem set 2 provides an opportunity to explain and show the steps how I create and find problems through data. When I was asked to design our own question, it is hard for me to start creating a new problem by myself, especially I have already used and analyzed data for other problems. But after looking through the data, and I found analyzing the proportion of different types of institution might be meaningful. To show the proportion, I thought the pie chart is a good choice since pie charts are great for illustrating simple proportions. Before creating the pie chart, I was downloading the data as step 1 and clean the data by filtering the state. I choose 3 states, which are California, New York, and Florida. Then I also filter the type of institution. One represents the public institution, and 2 represents the profit private institution, and 3 represents the non-profit private institution. And then I group by the types of institution and state to summarize the total number of institutions to create a new column and of each to record the proportion of each type of institution. And then after cleaning the data, I create a ggplot. Okay, here is the data point that I created. And after cleaning the data, I create the ggplot to show the pie chart as you can see here. Okay, I run the code first. As you can see here, it is clear to show the proportion of each type of institution at specific state. Then I was thinking, can I compare the proportion of types of institution by state and to see which state has more public institution and which state have more private institution? So, but here pie chart is hard and not very clear and obvious to compare them by state. Like for example, as you can see, we don't know in Florida there is more public institution or there is more like profit private institution. But at least from here, I know that this problem could be or it worth analyzing. Then I was thinking to use which kind of plot could show and compare the proportion by state. Then I chart a bar plot instead, which might be one of the better choice. And here, I also use the ggplot to draw the bar plot to see the data in visualization. X is the state and Y is the proportion, and the facet by institution type here. After running the code, here is the bar plot and it is much more clear and obvious than pie chart. Then we can dive into the plot to analyze the result. So in summary, that is how I create problem through looking the data. First to think problem, but at that time I'm not pretty sure it is meaningful or does it work or not. But after creating the graph, we can directly see is there anything that we can compare or conclude, although the graph may not be the best one. Then to have a better result, I consider other better graph to show the data in visualization and dive into the analyze further.